Hey up and welcome to the video. And just looking at the moment, the weather is absolutely chucking it down, it really is. And we're just about to head out to a waterfall. Yeah. Well, the walk down here was absolutely treacherous, and I've got to try and get back up. I nearly turned back, and if you've been here to Scaleber Force, you'll know what the walk down here is like. But when you put torrential rain in as well, it really is a hazard. So yeah, I want to get a really good shot now I'm down here, and the water looks absolutely amazing. There's not much choice for composition. I'm standing on flat ground. There's going to be no scrambling down these banks. My God, I'll end up on the rocks. But I just had to come. This was one waterfall on the top of my list. And dry conditions, you could probably get down there. I think a bit further back you can. But conditions as they are today, this is as good as it's going to get, but it's going to be quite nice. It's looking like a vertical shot, maybe a horizontal wide shot. There's no autumn foliage surrounding. There's little bits, but not what you'd call strong autumn. It's quite dark this morning with it raining, but God, what a walk down. I've left Helen at the top. She took one look and said, no way, Jose. So I've got to get the umbrella out now, hold the umbrella, take some shots with the camera, and the light is looking nice down here. We're not going to need any filters. In fact, so far in Yorkshire I've not used one filter, so it just shows what the conditions have been like. But this waterfall looks very, very nice. I just hope I can get back up safely. So if you're watching this video now, you know I did get back up safely across these slippy, wet, muddy rocks. So I don't know if you can hear me or not, but I'll just talk you through the composition. I've got my lovely yellow Nikon umbrella. No, it's not Nikon. So this composition, my God, it's raining harder. So the composition, on the bottom right, we've got one ledge of the waterfalls. Then it goes up in ledges, and then it goes at the tree that's always been there, and that kind of blocks the view of the waterfalls coming down from the upper level. But it is the only composition I can get today. What I am going to do is swap to the wider lens, because there's a nice tree trunk in the bottom and I can't quite get that in at 28mm. So yeah, what a day, what conditions. But I just needed to get this waterfall on the hard drive. So shutter wise, we're at half a second, 1 second. I'm just manipulating the ISO to get down to the required level. So yes, I'm not sure where we're going to go next. Plans have been turned upside down this week due to the weather and the heavy rain. So yeah, there's a question mark on where we're going to go next, and there's also a question mark on where we're going to go tomorrow. So we're going to finish our Yorkshire expedition at Ingleton Waterfalls, but I think that's very much going to be cancelled tomorrow, because it's going to be like this, very, very sketchy, walking up and down the rocks, very slippy, and I just can't risk it. You know, photography is great, it's exciting, but it's not worth breaking a leg for, to be honest. So let me get these shots, get packed away, and then try and get back up there safely. Got to get the car out where I've parked it. I've parked it in this muddy patch at the side, and I've got to reverse out, so I've just got to hope that that's not too slippy, or else Helen might need to give it a push. There would be lots of alternative viewpoints, particularly if you climb down there, but not this morning. No way, Jose. are we going to go down there? It's bad enough trying to do this, take the shot with the umbrella, hold that at the same time. So yeah, no, I'm not going down there. I might not get back up. I had to crawl out of Scaleber Force on my hands and knees up the rocks. It was absolutely treacherous, and yeah, I won't do that again. Right, we're on our way now. We've made an executive decision to photograph one more waterfall today, and it's in a very unusual place, and you'll see what's unusual about it when we get there. So we should be, let's have a look, we are 20 mile away from that next location, so you'll join us there for that one waterfall. Well, in the distance there, in the mist, in the fog, is Ribblehead viaduct, and we're going to get a shot. I'm not from a great angle, but we've just pulled over. Seeing as we're passing it, it would be rude not to take it, wouldn't it? So I'm going to take it. I think we are going to come back here tomorrow morning, actually. Or we might, yeah, I think we'll pass here on the way back and we might stop again. So keep that quiet, keep that between us. So I'm going to take the shot now. And the mist actually makes it a really nice, moody shot. What a fantastic place this is. Full of sweetie treasures. What should we have? So in the town centre of Hawes, just under this bridge, there's an amazing looking waterfall in a town centre. Not seen one in a town centre before. It's not this side, it's not that little thing down there, it's the other side of the bridge. But what an amazing sight in a town centre. I'm not loving that car on the left hand side there, so I think we'll remove that in Photoshop. it stopped raining, so I've just pulled over on the roadside, just getting this shot here with the clouds coming over the fell. I think it's a fell, don't know what it's called, but a little white farmhouse at the base of the fell, so this might make a nice moody shot. And there's also a nice wall in the foreground there. So just a quick roadside stop. Well, as you can see, we've come back to Ribblehead Viaduct, and all the mist that was behind the viaduct earlier has gone, and you just don't get that same effect. But I've took the shot anyway, because you've still got some clouds hanging quite low, so that's giving quite a moody view. And this viewpoint here, we're seeing more of the arches of the viaduct, whereas the first shot we took was much nearer and the arches are narrow. But yeah, that mist made such a difference behind. And just to the left of us here, I can see a shot there I'm going to take with those trees. Whoops. With the trees in the foreground there. In fact, even including the wall in the foreground as well, that's a shot. Not colourful, could be black and white. And this road we're on's quite busy. This is the main road that takes you from Hawes down to Ingleton. But just look at the light. At the moment there's some light coming out from the clouds. Okay, we're going to end this video at Ribblehead Viaduct, so thank you for watching. I hope you like the content. Subscribe if you're new here. Thank you very much if you're already a subscriber. Give the video a like, pop a comment in the bottom. Yorkshire, it's a fantastic place even in this weather. And I'll see you later on the next one.